Learn, master and know English. Basic to advanced vocabulary. Learn how to level up your sentences.
Happy. She was happy to see her friend. Elated. She was elated to be accepted into the university. Big. They live in a big house. Enormous. The whale was of enormous size. Fast. The car is very fast. Accelerate. The vehicle began to accelerate on the highway. House. This is my house. Residence. This building serves as a private residence. Friend. He is my best friend. Companion. The traveler and his loyal companion explored the desert. Run. I run every morning. Sprint. She sprinted to catch the bus. Cold. It's really cold outside. Frigid. The frigid air made walking unbearable. Eat. I want to eat lunch now. Consume. He prefers to consume high-protein meals. Help. Can you help me with this box? Assist. May I assist you with your luggage? Start. Let's start the meeting. Commence. The ceremony will commence at noon. Smart. She is very smart. Intelligent. He is an intelligent student with a passion for science. Tired. I'm so tired after work. Exhausted. After the long journey, they were completely exhausted. Tell. Please tell me the news. Inform. Kindly inform me of any changes in the schedule.
If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe for more.